Hey guys, in this video we'll talk about important equipment and tools for your lash studio. I share some great options that I personally tested, but before we start, I just wanted to introduce myself so you can better understand why you should or shouldn't listen to my recommendation. My name is Margarita Ruiz and I have over 10 years of experience in the beauty industry. In 2021, I started my new journey by opening my lash studio in LA. Just 6 months later, I built a solid client base that has kept my business afloat. Additionally, I became the proud owner of Lash Flash brand, an online supply store for lash artists. We sell everything you need to make stunning lashes for your clients. Alright, now don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Let's dive into the list of the best items for your lash studio. They make your work easier. While I'm explaining about specific equipment types, you can take a look at some options in the description where I've shared links. Let's make it clear, this is not advertising. These brands don't pay me, this is something what I've really used and you can check it out. Also, feel free to find your own alternatives. Lash bed is essential for providing a comfortable experience for your clients. It's where they will spend the most of their time during the lash extension procedure, so having a comfortable and adjustable bed is crucial. I don't recommend buying a lash bed with a wooden frame as it can interfere with the working process. If you're just starting out, you don't have to buy fancy lash beds that cost $1 or $2K. Yeah, you might be tempted to find something stylish, but check out the simple, good options that I personally used in the description. They will do the work for you and your clients without breaking the bank. A cart is a helpful tool for organizing your workspace efficiently. It allows you to keep all your materials and tools within reach, making the process smoother and more organized. Some of my friends, not even lash technicians, but people in the beauty industry, mentioned that keeping an organized workplace can be a hassle. A cart will help with that. And again, you can check out some options in the description. A good quality lamp is indispensable for any lash technician. It improves visibility, which in turn increases work speeds and precision. The better you can see the lashes, the faster and more accurately you can work. Yeah, it's that easy. Take a look at some lamps that I use in the description. A comfortable and adjustable chair is essential for both technician and the client. I would highly recommend choosing a chair that can be adjusted for height to ensure optimal comfort during long lash extension sessions. A comfortable chair can significantly enhance the overall experience for both parties involved. Again, a few variants are in the description. Additionally, you can buy underhead and under-knee pillows. Trust me, customer comfort equals customer satisfaction and customer retention. And under-knee pillows is such a good solution. It relieves pressure on the client's back, especially for pregnant clients. Also, you can check the mattress for the lash bed to make it even more comfortable. And definitely good investment would be a lash bed case. It not only helps maintain tidiness but also ensure the mattress stays in place. Now let's discuss things that will improve your studio's hygiene measures. Firstly, consider investing in the ultrasonic cleaner. This device is incredibly useful for cleaning tools, effectively removing dirt and glue residue. Additionally, I recommend checking out this brand of wipes approved by US sanitary standards. These wipes are designed to kill viruses and are suitable for cleaning any surfaces in your studio. Of course, it's essential to have liquid sanitizer and barbicide. Liquid sanitizer is for sterilizing your hands and lightly disinfecting your tools. Barbicide, on the other hand, is ideal for more complex sterilization of tools by soaking them for 10–15 minutes. One more thing that I probably should have added to the top 5 essential for lash extension is a hygrometer. What is it? Well, it's a device that helps you track the humidity level in your lash studio. It should be somewhere around 40 to 60. If it goes slower, the adhesive may dry too quickly, leading to poor bonding and retention of the lash extension. On the other hand, if the humidity level is too high, the adhesive may take longer to cure, resulting in a weaker bond and potential irritation to the client's eyes. Each of these scenarios is a lose-lose situation that might cost you a client, so you should keep an eye on the hygrometer. Regarding materials, I would definitely recommend checking out my online store where you can purchase professional lash extension glue, pre-treatment, tweezers, and many other things that will elevate your lash game. For everyone who'd like to buy something, I will provide a promo code LASHTube. Apply it at checkout and get an extra 10% off. That's it for today. I hope the video was helpful. If so, give me a like and subscribe to my channel.